Hello everyone. In today's video, we're talking about how to add and subtract integers. So let's take a look at the rules. So the rules for adding and subtracting integers are as follows. If they have the same sign, then we're going to first add the numbers and then keep that same sign. If the signs are different, then we're actually going to take the difference of the numbers, right? And when we subtract the numbers, that means you take the bigger one minus the smaller number, and then we're going to keep the sign of whichever number was bigger. So let's take a look at some examples to clarify what this means. So let's just show you all of them that we're going over today. So first of all, 7 plus 10. So this means positive 7 plus positive 10. Since the signs are the same, the rule said we add up the numbers and we keep the sign. So we get the answer of positive 17. Take a look at number 2. We have negative 7 minus 10. So both of these are negative signs. So again, we just add the numbers. 7 plus 10 gives me 17. And then we keep the sign, which is negative 17 as a final answer. Number 3, we have negative 7 plus 10. We see right away here that the signs are different. So we're going to take the difference of the two. Okay, so we're going to do 10 minus 7, giving us 3. And then we take a look at whichever one had more. So was there more negatives or more positives? So clearly there are more positives. So we should have positive 3 as an ending answer. Number 4, we have a combination in the middle here. So we can see that we have 8 plus negative 5. So as a reminder, we're going to create a little legend here on the side of what the rules are. So when you have plus with plus, this will give us one plus sign. And if it's minus with a minus, that also gives us a plus sign. So the rule there is, if you see two of the same signs right beside each other, then they're going to always become positive. Likewise, if we have plus and then minus, that results in a negative. And vice versa, if you have negative and a plus, then this also results in a negative. So the rule there would be if you have opposite signs, then they always result in a negative. So here, if we had, again, looking at number 4, 8 plus negative 5, this is the same as 8 minus 5, right? Because these two signs together is the same as just a negative sign. 8 minus 5, that's positive 8 minus 5. They're different signs, so we take the difference, which would be 3. And again, because 8 was bigger and it was positive, we end up with positive 3. Last example, negative 6 minus negative 2. So that double minus here, so move it up a little bit here, double negative gives me positive. So if I rewrote this, this would be same as negative 6 plus 2. Again, we see that the signs are opposite of each other. We have a minus 6 and a positive 2. We take the difference of 4. And then we see that there are more negatives than positives, so we get negative as a final answer, negative 4. All right, I hope this video has helped you out. Please make sure you like the video, share with your friends and family, and then subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.